Got a C at home? What's the biggest AC you've seen? This lift is unprecedented. Driving vans from day to night. 3 days and 2 nights. Superlift and luffing jib added. And finally, needs a 900-ton crane? Hey guys, the 900-ton is out again. Heading to Guangzhou. We're using a superlift. The crew already loaded. All attachments on trucks. We plan to set up tomorrow, but got a sudden notice to set up tonight. Is in a rush. It can't go on highways, so we take local roads. Even in a rush, we need gas. The dual tanks inside are nearly empty. Stopping in Dongguan for gas. First thing out is refueling. Both tanks need it. $3,550. Bottom tank, then top. Done fueling, moving right along. Guys, worst luck ever. Almost in Guangzhou. We hit massive traffic. A total standstill. Let's see what happened. A large truck broke down. Right in the road. Rescue efficiency here is impressive. Cleared in under an hour. We left at 3 p.m. Now it's الساعة 8 مساء. A 5-hour drive. Need clearance to enter. Not sure what we're lifting. They said it's urgent. Must set up tonight. Due to tight space, we must reverse in. Let's back it up. Then assess. Site takes this seriously. From the gate. Steel plates are laid. Watch out, reversing. Watch out, reversing. Glass on the building ahead. Steer out, lift boom, drive forward. Guys, just found out it's a hospital. Daytime setup. Blocks main exits. So they demanded. Night setup. After we arrived, flatbeds followed soon after. Good for them. Highway took just 2 hours. Took us 4 to 5. Maybe 6 hours. Counterweights are turned. Time to set up. This 900-ton lift is expert certified. Positioning and specs. Must follow their plan. Since it's a hospital, can't be careless. No parking outside. All flatbeds. Must wait inside. A 900-ton crane job. Is major anywhere? Before starting, Chief Driver Hu gives a briefing for teamwork and perfect safety awareness. Now for 900-ton job specs. Building is 100 meters tall, 22 meters reach. Max weight 10 tons. Just 123 tons. Superlift and 40 meters luffing jib. That's it for tonight. It's past 3 a.m. Adding superlift and jib. As long as we don't block exits, we work freely inside. Let's lay the boom flat. Then install the superlift. Time to eat. Site provides meals today. When bosses feed us, we're highly motivated. Focus on work. Food arrives on time. Noon overtime is inevitable. After eating, we add the second superlift. Each weighs 10 tons. The most crucial section. Can't work without it. (2 p.m.) Superlift and jib done. It'll be quick now. Just 3 sections left. Off work early today. Assist crane is moving. While attaching rear jib, we tension the superlift. Spreads the jib's weight. Base fracture. When the last 2 sections are on, our 900-ton crane assembly is complete. Final touches. Always get water for me. Assembly done. Raising boom. (3 p.m.) Crane is fully ready. Waiting for expert inspection. After inspection today, we get off early. Lift starts tomorrow. Day 3 here. Guys, it's funny. Day 3 here. Extending the boom. Finally know what we're lifting. Only knew the weight, height, distance, and size before. Spent 3 days setting up, just to install a C's. What a C weighs 10 tons. Boom is ready. One more expert check before lifting. Before the lift, hospital roads are fully closed. Only 1 day given. See that? These 5 giants are the stars, said to be AC hoists. Must use new gear. Leaders are watching. Lifted weight. Matched site reports. Slightly lighter, actually. First AC is the heaviest and furthest from the edge. We swing it around, get it up there first. Placement depends on this. Wow, look at this. Can't move another 10 centimeters. Jib at lowest limit. Even past it. Main boom touching the wall. Glad SANY cranes are flexible. Touching wall, jib can still lower. Sound maximizes flexibility. The first and heaviest is finally in place. Almost didn't fit. This boom is right against the wall, and jib is fully lowered. Heaviest and furthest one is in place. Huge relief for everyone. Next, lifting small parts. These are the most annoying because there are so many. Lifting one by one. Lifted a few pipes. Time to eat again. Free meals on site. Just meat and veggies. But filling is good enough. While working, don't expect feasts. While eating, starting the second one. Not just 5 ACs today. Countless small pipes too. Road closure is just 1 day. Lifting the last one now. Once this is done, our 900-ton crane's Guangzhou SC job is complete. Do you think? Like a sledgehammer on a nut? This AC absolutely needs it. 900-ton cranes do more than bridges and heavy industry. Maybe one day. Let me ask you. Without a C in Guangdong, all ACs lifted. Look at my face. All 5 ACs are done. Then we wrap up. See these small things? Tonight, overtime again to pack up. Alright guys, video ends here. Thanks everyone. I'm Liu Kai.